Hello, welcome to Tax TMI. We are launching a new phase of taxmanagementindia.com and we will be naming it as Tax TMI. So, today in this video, we will discuss about how we can make most of the text search and how we can filter out the content and the listing in this new website. So earlier we had the option of advanced search separately present in which we could go and then we could choose a category in which we would want to filter out. Suppose it is case laws, and then we'll get a set of options, a set of filters where we can choose and get the desired results. In the new tax TMI, we won't have a separate option or a separate panel as advanced search, but it would be present itself in that category. So here in the left panel, all the filters or all the options that are present out there will be present. So in earlier, if I have to present suppose two, three key terms or two, three words I have in mind. So if I search for section 147, press enter, then it just shows me the result. However, this is a main difference or an add-on feature which we are giving in tax TMI, that if I search for section 147 and I press enter, then it adds to the list of the keywords which is shown here above the text search. So suppose we took section 147 as the term one, or let us take reason to believe as second term, reopening as third term. When we choose or when we add a keyword here, then this new filter is shown to us, which is specific or particularly present for the text search option, which gives us a list of options in where we want to filter out or where we want to search the keywords for. Would it be the main text, that is the case laws text? Would it be the main text and the AI summary which we have made for all the cases? Only the AI summary, only the title, which mainly includes the party name and the appeal number, head notes, or the citation. So by default, it is main text plus AI text. So if I press now for submitting the options or submitting the filters, there are three options. Either I press on this magnify button, it fetches the results. If I press on the submit button, then also it fetches the results. Or if whenever I choose an option, suppose I choose for main text and I just press enter without clicking on any button, then also it will show me the text results. Now we'll also see how the party name would work. If I want to search for the cases where Reliance Industry was present, so I may search for Reliance Industry, and it shows me six results where Reliance Industry was one of the parties. Now, for further refining of this, um, yes, in the text search option, one more a feature that we are giving is for the exact search. Suppose I want to search for exact a particular term. Suppose the same section 147, reason to believe. And from the existing keywords, I will remove the terms which are without the double quotes. And if I press enter, it shows me four results. So here we can refine our search even more as it was earlier. Then we have other filters as well. Suppose I want to only get the cases which were of the income tax. And specifically for the income tax, there is another filter which opens up, which is for the all sections. So here we can choose the section as well, and I can search for it here. It is suppose section 147. So when we perform the text search, it automatically sorts the results based on the date of decision or date of the order. So this the order date of this case is 2016, 2015 for the below one, then 2013 and 2012. If we perform by relevance, the difference in these two is by the date, it sorts by the date of order or the date of decision. In relevance, it sorts based on how close the search or the case is to the keywords which we have searched for, or how close it is to all of the filters that we have applied based on these three keywords and the Reliance industry. So if I sort by relevance, it shows me the case of 2016, 2013, 2012, and 2015. So it has taken the case of 2015 at the below, probably because it is the least relevant. And when I open a case from this filtered result, it highlights the relevant text as well. So I had searched for reopening reason to believe. So it will show the highlighted text in my case notes and wherever the term is present in my case. So this is how we can make the most of it. And if we are looking at the listing, here the all the filters will go up here, and if we click on it, the list will be present again to us. And to see all the listing again, we can either reset filters, or we can just click on the back button and we can see the whole listing here.